like this, okay, man, I come. Tell you, man, I'm not going to you.
Why you too loud?
Look at Shala. Oh, Nigerians. Oh, gosh. Now, this dog. Now, person will teach you how to fish. Now, he like you. Person will give you fish, make you chop. You not like you. Me, I'll give you tools. Teach you how to catch fish. Because I like you. I won't make it better for you. Carry the camera come. Nigerians, I tell you, I say, nature will make me rich. When I think say I lie, see I'm here. When I think say they lie, you know see I know we'll give up. Now all these things, times like this, now they make me happy. If I give you fish, make you chop, I don't like you. But if I teach you how to fish, now you say I like you, I will make it better for you. See ya. Show you the see ya. Carry the camera come. I tell you, I say, nature go bless me. Nothing saying I lie. As you bless me, she show me sugar. But now you don't know. This is the path we choose, man. We're just gonna be doing it till forever. We're gonna be doing it forever, man. We ain't backing down, no stopping, man. Feel me? Yeah.